Hi guys, we are joined by Ashvi today. She has a lovely new venture called Little Monkey Bakeries and she bakes all these amazing goodies. So welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you.
She basically bakes delicious, sumptuous food and it is
Thank
absolutely
you.
mouth-watering. So a big shout out to everybody who's watching this interviews to do order from Ashvi. So Ashvi, do you want to tell my viewers about what is Little Monkey Bakery?
Okay, so Little Monkey Bakery is home bakery I started almost 1.5 months ago.
Okay.
I have been not into baking since very long, but I was always fascinated by all the cake shows on TVs, like how do they make this such pretty cakes and everything. So I started baking, I think last year around lockdown itself, because I was very bored at home and had nothing on my hands. There were a lot of failures at the beginning. Obviously, I did not ace it with like whenever I started it.
Yeah.
There has been like days when I did not, nothing came out good. Whatever I made, everything was like it was not good. Like it's not even, I wouldn't even eat that. It was that bad. There has been days where I have tried recipes for like 5 times in a day, but still they didn't come out good. But I kept on trying because by baking I got to know that was very therapeutic for me. It made me feel so happy. There has been days whenever I can't sleep, when I'm very lazy, I'll get up and I'll start baking at 2 in the morning as well. So
Okay.
it's just my happy hour. Whenever I'm baking, I'm at my happiest. So
Okay.
I was started baking, then things turned out to be good. I started giving out samples to my friends and families to let me know whether they do like it or not, and I had a positive response from them.
Okay.
So by that, a small baby steps, and then my brother and my sister-in-law suggested that I should start a bakery out of it. It is anyways a good, probably can be a good career for me. So that's how it all started.
So for my viewer, here is the Enterprising Youngsters. This is part of my playlist called Enterprising Youngster that, she failed and failed, but with perseverance and resilience, I think she's doing a wonderful work. So Ashvi, little more about yourself. We've talked about your baking part of it. Otherwise, what do you do? What are your hobbies?
Okay,
And do you want to
so
tell my viewers about it?
I have my bachelor's in commerce and I have one other post-graduation degree in financial management. I had plans to go to Canada for my master's this year
Okay.
in financial and become business analytics.
Okay.
But then my father was not very, positive about sending me out during this situation. He was very scared that I'll be alone there and all this COVID and everything. So he said, just stay here for a year, go next year. So I had a lot of free time on my hand.
Okay.
So that's when I got into baking.
Okay.
And probably it has changed my field probably from business analytics to going to a pastry school now.
Oh, perfect. That's fantastic. Best of luck with that. So
Thank you.
I know that, there are a lot of youngsters due to COVID, they have been going through a lot of challenges in their
Yeah.
personal life. And some of them has been come out a winner and some of them has not. So do you have a quick advice for all those youngsters who are sitting at home and don't know what to do?
Yes, when you're sitting at home, sitting idle, just follow your heart. Do whatever makes you feel happy. I found that in baking. Trust me, it has been like a complete mood changer for me.
Okay.
There were days when I was feeling very low because I couldn't go out, meet my friends, or just have a small get together with family or anyone.
Yeah.
But since I'm baking, I'm always busy doing things, experimenting new recipes, and everything. It's just a very life-changing, mood-changing thing for me now. So just do whatever makes you feel happy.
Okay. And we've talked about in future you want to go to a baking school. And after that, what?
After that, as of now, to improve my cake art and everything, to get new recipes to Ahmedabad, the plated fancy desserts you get out there, which people are fascinated by. Probably open a dessert cafe in few years in Ahmedabad, maybe, if everything goes according to plan.
I'm looking forward to it. So thank you so much, Ashvi, for joining me today. we have amazing girls like Ashvi on this platform. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. Ashvi, thank you so much for being.
Thank you so much for having me.